Stop lying to yourself. Your thoughts are the prison you built and pretend not to see. You want to be free? Tear them down. Don't collect quotes like trophies to look smart while staying weak. These 10 truths aren't meant to decorate your mind. They're meant to rebuild it. Don't admire them, obey them, live them. Let's count down from 10 to the one that will change everything. Number 10, success requires no apologies. Failure permits no alibis. Own everything. Don't make excuses for failing. Don't apologize for winning. Weak men explain away their losses and beg for understanding. Don't be one of them. Take responsibility for every result. Success stands unapologetic. So should you. Number 9, the man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. Stop whining about what you're paid. Over-deliver. Do more than anyone asks. Make yourself so valuable they can't afford to ignore you. The average give the minimum and complain about the outcome. Don't be average. Work until they can't look past you. Number 8, no one is ready for a thing until he believes he can acquire it. Belief is the gatekeeper. If you think you're unworthy, you'll sabotage everything you touch. Build belief so strong it shapes your reality. You don't get what you want. You get what you truly believe you deserve. Make your belief so fierce, it becomes inevitable. Number 7, when defeat comes, accept it as a signal that your plans are not sound. Rebuild those plans and set sail once more toward your coveted goal. Failure isn't fatal, it's feedback. Average men quit when plans fall apart. Winners adapt. They fix the strategy and attack again. Don't cry over broken plans. Redesign them and move forward. The man who refuses to stop cannot lose. Number 6, set your mind on a definite goal and observe how quickly the world stands aside to let you pass. Indecision is the silent killer of dreams. It wastes time, energy, and life itself. Decide what you want. Declare it clearly. Commit without apology. The world yields to the man who knows exactly what he wants and refuses to be denied. Number 5, you give before you get. Stop waiting for the world to hand you something. Deliver first. Serve first. Provide so much value that reward becomes unavoidable. The entitled wait for their turn. The successful create theirs. Make yourself indispensable before demanding anything in return. Number 4, the starting point of all achievement is desire. Desire is the fire in your belly. Without it, you'll surrender at the first sign of resistance. Don't insult yourself with mild wishes. Cultivate hunger so deep it feels like need. Decide you must have it. The world moves for the man who refuses to settle. Number 3, strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. You want easy? Stay average. Success is built on struggle, forged in difficulty. Embrace the grind. Hunt discomfort. Don't avoid the pain. It's the only teacher worth paying. Weakness hides from challenge. Strength seeks it out. Number 2, a goal is a dream with a deadline. Stop drifting. Dreams without deadlines are comfortable lies. A real goal demands sacrifice, commitment, urgency. Put a date on it. Force yourself to act. Don't tell me what you want until you can tell me when you'll have it. Otherwise, it's just an excuse. Number 1, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Your thinking is the root of everything you are and everything you're not. If you can't imagine it, you can't create it. If you can't believe it, you'll sabotage it. See it clearly. Believe with such certainty that failure becomes impossible. Your mind is your workshop. Use it to build the life you want or watch it build the prison you'll die in. Most will hear these 10 truths and do nothing. Don't be most. Pick one. Write it down. Repeat it until it's part of your blood. Live it until you can't remember who you used to be. Don't you dare let these words sit pretty on your screen. Make them law in your life. Don't collect these words like trophies. Make them law in your life. Don't just hear them, live them. The world makes way for those who dare to rise. Click the Rise button now to subscribe and claim the destiny waiting for you. Your time is now.